Students will able to hear? Guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I think exam started. Am I right? Will able to hear properly or any disturbance, any lag?
Sir, it's clear, sir.
Yeah. So how was the exams? What are the exams so far? It is finished. I think lighter topics, lighter subjects was started. Am I right? Any exam started for you people? Students? So far, any exams wrote? Anyone? Guys?
No, sir.
No. But main subjects are going to start next month. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now it is going only these marketing, psychology, these subjects. Correct? Yeah. So we are going to discuss paper test number 8. Am I right?
Yes.
To share the screen. Yeah. Yeah, question number 1. It's already repeated in the last paper. Let L denotes the set of straight lines in a plane. Let R is the relation dependent of L to M if L is perpendicular to M for R, LM and L. So if L is perpendicular to M, a line can't be perpendicular to itself. A line can't be perpendicular to itself. So we can't say it is reflexive. I can say if L1 is perpendicular to L2. And L2 is also perpendicular to L1. Suppose if I'm saying L1, this is L2, this is. So L1 is perpendicular to L2 or L2 is perpendicular to L1, both represent same. So it is symmetric. And if I'm taking the third one, suppose if I'm taking some other example, L1 is perpendicular to L2. Suppose this is line L1, this is L2. And L2 is perpendicular to L3. So there is another line perpendicular to L3. And L1 is parallel to L3. L1 can't be perpendicular to L3. So it is not transitive. So it is not reflexive, not transitive, and it is only symmetric. So the B option. If A is a finite set containing the n distinct elements, the number of relations from A is equal to 2 power n square. It's a straight formula. A 1, 2, 3, and relation elements are 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. So reflexive is over. So 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2. So from that we can see it is symmetric also. Let me check whether it is transitive or not. Check anyone. 1, 2 is there. 2, 3 is there. See here. If I'm taking 1, 2 is there, 2, 3 is there, but 1, 3 is not there. So one example is enough to say to prove it is not transitive. So the answer is, what is the answer here? Reflexive, symmetric, but not transitive. So fourth question is also like that. A, B, C, D. They give the A, B, B, A, and A, A. A, B, B, A, and A, A. So B is part of the relation, so B, B is not there, so it is not reflexive. A, B, B, A, it is symmetric and transitive also. Is it transitive, students? Yes, it is transitive. A, B, B, A, and A, is also there. It is a transitive. So when it comes A, B, A, and B, A, BA is not there. Anyone can say what is the answer? None of these, symmetric and transitive. Symmetric only, reflexive and transitive. This is not right answer. It is only symmetric or symmetric and transitive. Why it is not transitive, I will tell you. So B, A is here and A, B is here. So I don't have B comma B. If B comma B is there, then I can say it is transitive. Its answer is only symmetric. This is also not right answer. So it is only symmetric. Why it is only symmetric is AB is there, BA is there. That's the reason it is only symmetric. Question number 9. It is also straight answer. 9 minus x square, the domain of the f of x. 9 minus x square can't be less than 0. So 9 minus x square should be greater than 0. So 9 is greater than x square. So the answer is minus 3 to minus 3 to 3. Second option. The principal branch of secant inverse x. So except pi by 2, rest of all the things between 0 to 180. It's a straight question. This is also a straight question. 3 into 2 is 6, which is greater than 1. If it is greater than 1, straight away, I can apply tan inverse 3 minus 2 by 1 plus 3 into 2. So the answer is tan inverse 1 by 7 on option D. This is right question. 8th question. If x is not equal to 0, cos of tan inverse x plus cot inverse x. If x is not equal to 0, how we can do this question? It's very simple. Doing the question, if x is not equal to 0, let's take x is equal. Let's take y is equal cos of tan inverse x plus cot inverse x. 1 second, guys. Yeah. So y is equal to cos of tan inverse x plus cot inverse x. So how we can build this question?
Sir, can we use the identity tan inverse x plus cot inverse x equal to pi by 2?
What identity will use? What identity will use? Sorry?
Tan inverse x
identity will
plus
use?
cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2.
Yes, because x is not equal to 0, definitely we can use that identity. Cot inverse x plus tan inverse x is equal to pi by 2 because of x is not equal to 0. So what is our cos pi by 2 value?
0.
0. So the option is 0. Next one. Cot inverse pi by 3 plus cot inverse 4 by 5. Anyone straight formula? The answer is tan cos cot. Any straight formula? Anyone having any straight formula? If you are unable to remember, convert cot into tan. Convert
So we can change cot inverse to tan inverse.
tan,
And
reciprocal, correct. That is one of the easiest method. Instead of struggling, or if you know anyone knows cot inverse x cos inverse y, straight away you can use. What is the conversion from cot to tan? Reciprocal. Will you agree? Cot inverse 5 by 3 can be written as tan inverse 3 by 5 plus tan inverse 5 by 4. If I am multiplying 3 by 5 into 5 by 4, it's coming less than 1. If it is less than 1, what formula you have to use? I can use the formula because it's a positive, less than 1 and greater than 0. It's a positive value anyway. So what formula I have to use here? I can use direct identity.
yes, sir.
So tan inverse what 3 by 5 plus 5 by 4 divided by 1 minus 15 by 20. So what is the final answer?
Tan
The
inverse
tan inverse
by 5.
12 minus 20, 12 plus 25 by 20 and 5 by 20. So 20 cancel. 20 30 37 by 5. Tan inverse 37 by 5. Next one. 7/5. The principal value of tan inverse tan 7/5 by 6. The principal value of tan inverse tan 7/5 by 6. Tan 7/5 by 6 can be written as 5 plus 5 by 6. So in third quadrant tan is positive, so this can be written as tan inverse tan 5 by 6. So what is the answer? 5 by 6 is the answer. If A, B are the square matrices of the same order, so A plus B into A minus B is equal to, so it is the same order, A square minus AB plus BA minus B square. So A square minus B square. What is the option you will get? Straight multiplication. A square minus
Option B.
B. Assume X, Y, Z, W, and P are the matrices of order 2 by n, 3 by k, 2 by p, n by 3, and p by k respectively. The restrictions on n, k, p, so py plus wy will be defined as. What is the for addition order should be same. For multiplication, what is the order? What is the condition for the multiplication?
The number of columns of the first matrix should be equal to the number of rows of the second matrix.
Number of rows. So n should be equal to 3, correct?
Yes, sir.
N should be equal to 3. Then only it is possible for py matrix. No, it is xy. Sorry, guys. Py. P is what? Pi matrices. P is p by k. Okay, I will get this question. Or you can go with the options also, but instead of options, first I am taking P order. P is how much? P is P by K order. And Y is, the order of Y is 3 by K. So what is the answer here?
K should be equal to 3.
How K should, number of columns in first matrix will be equal to number of columns in the second matrix. So K should be equal to 3. Which option is giving K should be equal to 3 here? A and A, B, D. No, even B also, because he mentioned K is arbitrary. K is arbitrary means K might any value. And WY. W is the order of the W is how much? N by 3. Order of Y is 3 by K. So it is coming. So what is the multiplication order? If I am multiplying P by E, the order is P by K, correct? Will you agree?
Yes, sir.
If I am multiplying this order is equal to WY, the order is N by K.
Yes, sir.
So already we got K is equal to 3, P by 3, and this is equal to N by 3. So for addition, P should be equal to N. So P should be equal to N and K should be equal to 3. So this is available only for one option. So option is what? D. Next one. If A, B are the symmetric matrices of the same order, then A, B transpose minus B, A transpose. Skew symmetric matrix can take straight away. Oh, anyone? How it is skew symmetric matrix? A, B are the symmetric matrix. What is meant by symmetric matrix? When it is possible symmetric matrix? A and B are symmetric matrix. What is meant by symmetric matrix? A is equal to A transpose, B is equal to B transpose. Then only this can call symmetric matrix. So A, B dash minus B, A dash is a null matrix, symmetric, and skew symmetric. So whether it is symmetric or skew symmetric, after transposing only I will get clarity. Otherwise, I can't find it out. this will be AB transpose whole transpose minus BA transpose whole transpose. If I am getting answer is 0, null matrix. If I am getting minus of the expression, Q symmetric. If I am getting the same expression, symmetric. So this can be written as, how it will change?
B transpose, the whole transpose into A transpose.
B transpose can be written as B. AB whole
B2.
transpose minus BA whole transpose, because A transpose is equal to A, B transpose is equal to B according to given data. So if I am opening the brackets, this is A transpose B transpose minus B transpose A transpose. Again, if I am substituting, no, sorry, my order will change here. After applying the transpose, order will change here. What order will get here? B transpose A transpose minus A transpose B transpose. So B transpose is replacing with B, A transpose. A transpose is replacing with A, B transpose. So if I am taking minus common, then it will be AB transpose minus BA transpose. So which is equal to, suppose if this entire matrix can be taken as C, C is equal to minus C, C transpose is equal to minus C. C transpose is equal to minus C, then the answer is Q symmetric. If A and B are the two matrices of 3 by M and M by N respectively, and M is equal to N, then the order of the matrix 5A minus 2B. What is the 5A order? 5A order is 3 by N. 2B order is also 3 by N. And M is N, the order of the 5A minus 3B. What is the answer, students?
3 by N.
It is either 3 by M or 3 by N. So which option is there? 3 by M is not there in the options. 3 by N is there. So because 3 by M, 3 by N represents same, because M is equal to N. So the order is 3 by N. For addition or subtraction, it should be same order. So equality of the matrices, just corresponding values you have to equate. 4x is equal to 17 y minus 13. 5x minus 7 is equal to y. 4x is equal to x plus 6. So substituting the values might be, so suppose if I am substituting 2x plus y, x is equal to 3. 2 into 3 is 6, y is equal to 1. So 7. So 2 into 2, 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 is 7. 2 into 2, 4, 4. 8. C is not right answer. Straight away I can say C is not right answer because it is coming 8. I am substituting 6 plus 8. This is also not right answer. When it comes to 4x, again y is here. So 5x minus 7. So 15 minus 7 is equal to not 1. So this is also not right answer. So what is the answer for 15? Straight away by elimination method I can say this is the answer. 2, 3. If I am substituting 2 here, 10 minus 7 is equal to y. Or if I am substituting 2 here, 4 into 2 is 8. 2 plus 6 is also 8. If I am substituting here, 4x is 8. 7 is 21 minus 13 is also 8. So B is the right option here. Elimination method I used. Or you can take 2 equations, all the equations using simultaneous equation method. You can calculate it, your wish, however you want to do. So this one is, which of the given values of x and y makes pair of matrices are equal? So straight away 3x plus 7 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 7 by 3. Which option is giving x is equal to minus 2 minus 3x? Which of the given values of x and y makes the pair of matrices are equal?
Sir, it's not possible to find.
Not possible. So not possible to find because x is equal to compulsory for the first element 3x plus 7 should be equal to 0. X is equal to minus 7 by 3. So minus 7 by 3 is not at all available in any of first 3 options. So not possible to find. So single option will give the answer. Next, the points are collinear. If the points are collinear, what method you use to calculate the unknown value, students? I can say like this. Will you remember grade 10 formula, cross multiplication method of calculating the area of the triangle. You take the modulus and cross multiply and find out this value to equal to 0, then you will get the answer, or you can use the matrices method. So this is one of the method. If you do this one after this calculations, you will get the answer is. Anyone confused with this method? Need explanation?
K
Need
is equal
explanation?
to 5.
K is equals
5.
5, correct. Here you can't use the elimination method because you have to do the same question 5 times. So mod A is equal to 3, A inverse is 3 minus 1 minus 5 by 3, 2 by 3, then adjoint of A. Adjoint of A is equal to mod A into A inverse. Simple. 3 times of A inverse. Mod A into A inverse. So 9 minus 3 minus 5, 2. So option C straight away. We have to use the properties of the matrices. Adjoint of A is equal to modulus of A into A inverse. That's why A inverse definition now 1 by mod A into adjoint A. If you remember this one, you can able to solve this question easy, even in mind calculation also. If A and B are square matrices of order 2, if A and B are square matrices of order 2, then determinant of A plus B is 0 is possible only. Determinant of A plus B is 0 is possible only. So he is saying mod of A plus B is equal to 0. Mod of A plus B is equal to 0. When it is possible? Students, when it is possible? Determinant of A is 0 or determinant of B is 0, determinant of A is 0 and determinant of B is 0. And A plus B should be 0 or determinant of A plus determinant of B is 0.
So determinant of A plus determinant of B is 0.
No. Here we can say like this. Mod of A means what? Each element of Ij plus each element of second matrix is 0. When it is possible? When it is possible? Is addition. So this is possible if the sum of the two matrices is 0 according to this, then it is possible. If determinant of A is 0 and the determinant of B is 0, that means you are saying A plus B modulus will be equal to mod A plus mod B. It is not. If one determinant is 0, it should not reflect on others because other elements. So determinant of A plus determinant of B is 0. That we can't say always. So remaining option is A. Or you can take like this. Aij represents each and every element of A and Bij represents each and every element of Bj. So each and every term is 0. I can say this is 0. Next one, 20th question. Let A be the skew symmetric matrix. So A is equal to minus A transpose or A transpose is equal to minus A. Of order n. So determinant of A is 0, determinant of A is 0 if n is even for all number of natural numbers. Is it possible? First option. Is it possible? First option, yes, it is possible. 2 by 2 matrix, 3 by 3 matrix, 4 by 5 matrix. 1 by 1 matrix is possible for skew symmetric and symmetric. Students?
No, sir.
For 2 by 2 matrix, it is possible. Determinant is possible to 0. Because from the previous question, you said determinant is 0, determinant of A is 0 if n is even. What it says? What is meant by A transpose? A plus A transpose is equal to 0. So determinant of A is 0 if n is even. How we can discuss this question, students? Anyone? It's a straight property. Anyone can give the skew symmetric matrix example, one small example of 2 by 2 or 3 by 3 matrix, skew symmetric matrix of 3 by 3. Simple word. Anyone? Students? 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 minus 1. Is it skew symmetric? What is meant by skew symmetric? Students? Is it skew symmetric? No, it's not skew symmetric. Anyone can give the skew symmetric matrix? Students, please. One example of skew symmetric matrix. What is meant by skew symmetric? Students, when it is possible, skew symmetric matrix, when it is possible. Suppose A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. The skew symmetric can be possible. See, this upper triangle and lower triangle matrices have same elements with different signs. Then only it is possible. Correct? Suppose even if I am taking 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, if I am taking -1, -2, -3, then only skew symmetric is possible. Will you agree? Correct or not? If I am transposing, I will get like this: 0, -1, -2, 1, 0, -3, and this is 2, 3, 0. If I am taking minus common, I will get this is -A. So A transpose is getting as -A. If we observe, the upper triangle elements are negative and is equal to lower triangle elements. Our lower triangle elements must be equal to upper triangle elements, and sign should be changed to make it as a skew symmetric matrix. The beauty in this skew symmetric matrix, the determinant of A is 0 for odd order if A is skew symmetric matrix. Properties of the matrices we can discuss, but one example you can take and you can try, or you can try instead of taking numbers, you can try like this also. You can take A minus B, C, E, F. F is here, and you can take, okay, sorry guys, you can take X, A, B, C. This is Y, this is Z. This I am taking -A, -B, -C. Then only it will be skew symmetric. If I am taking the determinant, definitely we will get 0. If I am taking the determinant, definitely we will get the 0, where A, B, C, X, Y, Z are some real numbers. It is possible for 3 by 3 matrix, and it is not possible for even like 2 by 2 or 4 by 4 matrix. So it's one property. From that, you can able to remember this one. More than this, if you want to explore, just let me know. We can discuss later. So if n is odd, straight away you can say for skew symmetric, odd like 3 by 3, 5 by 5, these matrices, determinant of the skew symmetric matrix is 0. So 21st one. It's also straight question which we discussed. It's the K cube. K cube. Option is B. Each row, how many rows are there? That many of times you have to multiply if I am taking the constant outside. If actually this question is little bit related to properties of the determinants, then only you can able to understand this, why it is K cube. If A and B are the square matrices of the same order, A and B are the square matrices of the same order, A denotes the transpose of A, then the properties. A into B whole transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. Straight. If Y is equal to AX square plus BX plus C, is asking second order derivative. So these two questions are straight from the textbook. It will be easy to understand. Y is equal to AX square plus BX plus C. So Y dash is equal to 2AX plus B. So Y double dash is equal to 2a. So he is asking y cube into 2a. A constant, a function of x only, a function of x and y, a function of y only. Is it function of x and y or is it a function of y? It is only f of y. I can say option is C. I got the final answer is y cube into 2a. This one, y is equal to a into e power mx, b for e. It's very simple. Y dash is equal to a into m into e power mx minus b into m into e power minus mx. If I am differentiating again, I will get a m square e power mx plus b m square e power mx minus mx. So the answer is m square y. The answer is m square y, option C. The general differentiation. It's a function of x and y, m square y. Find the value of b for which the function f of x is continuous every point of its domain. So every point of its domain, from 0 to 1 linear equation continuous at all points, 1 to 2 linear equation, it's a square polynomial, real polynomial, it's a continuous, but only the border is 1. So at 1 only, if you check, then we get the answer of the unknown value. If I am checking limit x tends to each and every point, it is same. So at 1 also it should be continuous. Then only it will be equal. At 1 only it is changing its function expression. So find the limit x tends to 1 minus should be equal to limit x tends to 1 plus. Limit x tends to 1 minus is 5 minus 4. Limit x tends to 1 plus is 4 plus 3b. So 5 minus 4 is equal to minus 1 is equal to 4 plus 3b. If I am taking 4 this side, minus, no, 1 minus.
B is equal to minus 1.
B is equal to minus 1. How? 5 minus 4 is plus 1. So 3b is equal to minus 3, b is equal to minus 1. Correct. For the 26th one. Root x plus root y is equal to 1 dy by dx. Then he is asking dy by dx at a particular x value. Root x differentiation is 1 by 2 root x. Root y differentiation is 1 by 2 root y into dy by dx is equal to differentiation of 1 is 0. So from here dy by dx is equal to minus 2 root y by 2 root x, x cancels. So he is asking at 1 by 4. So minus 1 by 2 by 1 by 2. Both the values are same. So answer is minus 1. Same as if x is at x is equal to pi by 2. So left hand limit at x is equal to pi by 2 should be equal to right hand limit at x is equal to pi by 2. So m pi by 2 plus 1 is equal to sin pi by 2 is 1 plus m. So 1 cancel. So m is equal to n is equal to m pi by 2. N is equal to m pi by 2. Simple answer. This is also. So, hope you are clear so far.
Yes, sir.
Tan inverse x, y is equal to tan inverse x, z is equal to cot inverse x. Then find the value of dy by dz. So function differentiation of a function with respect to another function. Identify the common variable and differentiate with that and divide it. So dy by dx. First find out the dy by dx minus 1 by plus 1 by 1 plus x square. Dz by dx. This is minus 1 by 1 plus x square. He is asking dy by dz. So division of this two will be dy by dz, which is answer is minus 1. 28 is minus 1. 29th one. Differentiation of tan inverse cortex. So chain rule. Tan inverse is 1 by 1 plus cot square x into cot x differentiation is minus cosecant square x. So 1 plus cot square x is cosecant square x. 1 plus cos square x is cosecant square x. This whole thing can be cancelled. So answer is minus 1. Is it clear, guys? 29th one, how I done? You can do in a different way also. Cortex can be converted into tan inverse or tan something like that also you can do, but this is one of the method. I'm using the chain rule here. So 30th question, substitution method is one of the easiest method. You feel easy if you are using the substitution method. Always make the question simple. Don't try to do straight away. Question number 30. Y is equal to sin inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. If I'm taking x is equal to tan theta, it will be easy to substitute theta is equal to tan inverse x. So 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Sin inverse 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta, which will use cos 2 theta. So how I can change into sin? Students, how I can change it to sin? This can be written as pi by 2 minus 2 theta. Pi by 2 minus theta. Now if I am differentiating, it will be easy. Pi by 2 differentiation is 0. Theta is nothing but 2 tan inverse x. So 2 by 1 plus x square. So the answer is minus 2 by 1 plus x square, option A. X is equal to a cos cube t and y is equal to a sin in parametric forms. So dx by dt will be equal to 3a cos square t into minus sin t. dy by dx is equal to dy by dt is equal to 3a sin square t into cos t. Differentiation of sin is cos. If I'm taking this one, then I will get a dy by dx. So 3a cancel, 1 cos cancel, 1 sin cancel. So answer is minus tan t. Minus tan t. Is it clear, students?
Yes, sir.
Next one. Minus 2 by 1 plus x square minus tan t. So this is also a little bit straight question from the textbook models. The question is, you have to find out the value of p if it is continuous within the interval. If it is within this interval, it is continuous. At 0 also, it should be continuous. At 0, it is continuous. Left hand limit at 0 should be equal to right hand limit at 0. So if I am substituting left hand limit at 0, I will get 0 by 0 format. I will get 0 by 0 format. Right hand limit at 0, I will get 1 by minus 2. So right hand limit is minus 1 by 2. But left hand limit is straight substitution in left hand limit is coming 0 by 0. So for that, what I'm doing is I'm rationalizing the numerator. If I'm rationalizing the numerator, 1 plus px a square minus b square minus 1 plus px divided by x into 1 plus px plus 1 minus px. So 1 cancel, this whole thing will become 2px and xx cancel. If I'm substituting 0, I will get 2p by root 1 plus 2, answer is p. So p will be equal to minus 1 by 2 straight away I can write here from this discussion. The curve ax cube plus bx square plus cx is inclined at a 45 degrees to the x-axis at 0, 0. So slope and substitute that point should be equal to tan theta. Tan theta is equal to dy by dx, where x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. First differentiation is 3ax square plus 3bx plus c. If I am substituting, answer is coming c, which is equal to, if I am substituting 0, 0, answer is coming c. So tan theta is equal to c, which is equal to tan 45, which is equal to plus 1. Which option is giving plus 1? A, C, D. 3 options are giving plus 1. 3 options are giving plus 1. But it touches to the x-axis at 0, 0, but it touches the, I think I'm missing the question something. But it touches x-axis at 1, 0. It is touching at x-axis 1, 0 means 1, 0 is the point lying on this. If I am substituting 1, 0 in this, I will get a plus b plus c is equal to 0. I am getting a plus b plus c is equal to sorry, if I'm substituting 1 comma 0, where x-axis is the tangent.
Okay.
Next one.
Yeah.
No. Oh,
1 second, guys. So if it is touching, means the slope should be equal to slope of the x-axis. 3a square minus plus 2bx plus c. So if I'm substituting 1 comma 0, I will get 3a plus 2b plus c is the slope at x-axis where it is touching. The x-axis slope is 0. This also should be 0. And if I'm substituting 0 comma 0, where it is coming, sorry, 0 comma 0 I can substitute. X is equal to 1. And it is touching. So a plus b plus c should be 0. And we got c is equal to 1 from the previous. When substituting c is equal to 1, I will get a is equal to minus b. C is equal to 1 means a plus b is equal to minus 1. So from the options, which conditions are satisfying this one? C is equal to 1 only in the 3 options, but a plus b is equal to minus 1. A plus b minus 1, a plus b minus 1. No, here it is plus 1. Here it is minus 1, here it is minus 1. So either A or either C is the option. But again, 3A plus 2B plus C. 3A is 3 minus 2 plus 1 is equal to 0. 3 minus 4 plus 1. So this option is correct. If I'm substituting this option, I won't get it is 0. So like this, you can able to do, it will be a little easy. Next question. Maximum value of x plus cos x. Maximum value of x plus cos x. How to calculate the maximum value of x plus cos x here? Differentiation method I can use. F of x is equal to x plus cos x between 0 comma pi by 2 closed interval. X is maximum at pi by 2, cos x is minimum at pi by 2. So you can't get directly between. So f dash x is equal to 1 minus sin x. I am equating to 0. Sin x is equal to 1. So x is equal to pi by 2. So the maximum value is possible only at pi by 2 because it is only one peak value. So second differentiation is giving f double dash x is giving for any value of x, it is minus cos x. Between 0 to 5, minus cos x is always negative. If second differentiation is negative, f of x is maximum at pi by 2. So answer is D option. This is D, 34 is D, and A, 33 is A, 32 is minus 1 by 2. 36th one, secant inverse of 1 by 2x square minus 1. Same as here also, if you substitute x is equal to cos theta, it will be easy. 2 cos, sorry, x is equal to, sorry guys, 35th one. They gave a polynomial and they are asking strictly increasing or decreasing, like they are asking us to calculate whether it is increasing or decreasing. So for increasing and decreasing, what we have to do, we have to take the differentiation of the function. If I'm taking the differentiation of the function, I will get minus 3 plus 6x minus 3x square. Minus 3 plus 6x minus 3x square. If I'm taking minus 3 common, I will get 1 plus, sorry, 1 minus 2x plus x square. 1 minus 2x plus x square. This will be minus 3 times of x minus 1 whole square. This represents it is negative value because x minus 1 is positive, multiplied with a negative, it is always negative. The differentiation is negative. The differentiation is negative. what is it meaning? Decreasing. Change is negative means decreasing function. It's a decreasing overall. The next one, if you substitute x is equal to, it's very simple. Different methods you can do. One is substitution method, another one is properties of the inverse trigonometric. Guys, just hold on a second. I think messages, I'm getting messages. Yeah, just hold on a second, guys. Secant inverse of 1 by 2x square minus 1. This can be written as in multiple ways. You can take secant on both sides. So secant y is equal to 1 by 2x square minus 1. From here, cos y will be equal to 2x square minus 1. So you can differentiate this one, or you can substitute x is equal to sine theta. 2 sine square theta minus 1. 2 sine square theta minus 1. No, make it cos 2 theta in the denominator, that will be becomes 2 secant theta. That is also one of the easiest way. So I'm getting here y is equal to cos inverse of 2x square minus 1. So which substitution will use the cos? X is equal to cos theta, 2 cos square theta minus 1, which is equal to cos 2 theta. So if I'm substituting this one, y I'm getting 2 theta. So this will be equal to 2 cos inverse x. And the differentiation is equal to minus 2 by root of 1 minus x square. Minus 2 by root of 1 minus x square. Next one is if y is equal to log x base 10. If y is equal to log x base 10, then dy by dx. This can be written as log x by log 10. Now differentiate, dy by dx is equal to 1 by x log 10. 1 by x log 10. You have to know the basics of the logarithms here, then only it will be easy. There is no means it's e. So 1 by x log 10 is the answer. F of x, x by x square plus is increasing. Is asking increasing on where. So same differentiation of the function and identify from where to where it is increasing and from where to where it is decreasing. So we need only where it is increasing. One is by taking the options, none of these, minus 1 to infinity, or minus. Increasing means differentiation should be positive. Differentiation should be positive. If I'm taking the differentiation of this function, what I will get? X by x square plus 1. X square plus 1 whole square. Differentiation of the numerator is 1. X square plus 1 minus x into 2x. So this will be x square minus 2x square plus 1. So this is minus x square plus 1. This is minus x square plus 1. Minus x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 whole square. So, and equate to 0 to get the critical points. So minus x square plus 1 is equal to 0. So x square is equal to minus 1. Minus x square, sorry guys, minus x square plus 1 minus 2x square.
square equal to minus.
minus x square plus 1 minus x square is minus plus 1, so x is equal plus or minus 1. So x is equal plus or minus 1. So these are the critical points. So the entire real axis can be split as minus infinity to minus 1, plus 1 and infinity. So between how it is varying. If I am taking any negative value less than 1, it is negative because the denominator is always positive for any value of x. The denominator is always positive for any value of x. Will you agree? For any value of x, the denominator is always positive. Yes or no? Students?
Yes, sir.
If the denominator is positive for any value of x, but what about numerator for x? If x is less than minus 1, what will happen? If x is less than minus 1, what will happen? X is greater than 1, what will happen? Critical points are plus or minus 1. So substitute in f dash x. If I am substituting in f dash x between minus infinity to minus 1 and 1 to infinity and minus 1 to 1, what will happen? In which case,
Sir, you're not audible.